Good evening. Tonight was the Upward Awards night, and of course, we had a humongous crowd, and certainly a wonderful night with my buddy Daniel Jackson speaking, leading the devotion. You know, uh, it was certainly the best night of all. So far, we do not have any more severe weather going on tonight. Even though the severe weather threat was primarily to our south, it's still a close call, obviously. Now, there could be more potentially strong to severe storms tomorrow, pretty much in the afternoon or evening, uh, with the primary threats being damaging winds 58 miles per hour or greater, and hail 1 inch in diameter. As of right now, from what I've heard, the tornado threat is low, but it's not zero. But, just like you would do in a tornado warning, take all the severe thunderstorm warnings seriously, whether it's a major threat or not, which so far it's not, but still need to be on alert just to be safe and know your severe weather plane and have multiple ways of getting the warnings, the watches and warnings, and have a readiness kit and know what to do and know where to go, and you'll be just fine. And of course, like I mentioned the other day and night, the 29th of March is when we're having our men's breakfast at 7 a.m. in the spring revival from April 26th through April 29th with Brother Mickey Bracken speaking. I'll keep you informed on that as soon as I can. But y'all have a wonderful night and be safe, and God bless.